Hi! Sometimes nodes or external APIs may return errors for various reasons, causing the scenario to stop. In many cases, this is undesirable, and you want the scenario to continue running even when an error occurs. Latenode provides two ways to solve this issue. The first and simplest option is to enable the error-ignoring setting in the node. This prevents the scenario from stopping due to an error, but the affected node will pass null to the following steps where its variable is used. The second option is to route execution along a different branch when an error occurs. To do this, enable error ignoring in the node, set up a filter that checks if any variable is not null, and add an alternative path with a fallback router. The fallback router triggers whenever the main route's condition is not met. As you can see, in case of an error, the scenario is redirected to an alternative path. Thank you for watching.